So your business isn't on Wix yet? Forget whatever video you're about to watch. Head over to Wix eCommerce and seize the opportunity to reach shoppers anywhere, anytime. Start from scratch or choose from hundreds of online store templates. Make it fit your business and brand by customizing your storefront, including product pages, galleries, cart, and checkout. Then let shoppers pay however they like. Reach new shoppers on social media and marketplaces, and engage existing customers with subscriptions, gift cards, and loyalty programs. Set up automated abandoned cart recovery to entice customers to complete their purchase. Fulfill orders and manage inventory from a single dashboard for all sales channels. Make insightful business decisions based on detailed traffic, sales, and revenue reports. Run high-performing marketing campaigns with built-in Facebook and Instagram ads that reach the right shoppers. Go to Wix eCommerce and create your online store today.